Hello, Free Friday. Jason Ricci here. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe today there or over there. Wait a minute. It's actually on the bottom of the video. You got to click it and subscribe. Set reminders for all the videos. And I'm on a staycation right now. That's right. But even when I'm on staycations or vacations, or even when I'm sick, or even when I don't feel like it, every single Friday this happens. Not the coffee, what you're watching. And today we're going to learn an easy vamp, because today's an easy day. That's why I'm smoking a Connecticut early in the day. It's easy. It's an easy day. All right. So I got a marine band in the key of A. It's a fancy one. It's been souped up, but it's old. It's a little out of tune. All right. Now this is an easy vamp, but the breathing can be a little complicated. Because this entire vamp, even though it's only like 2 notes, is all on the inhale. So you're playing constantly using only your inhale. All right, so what's the vamp? It's easy. I'm going to use a chord. I could use single notes, but let's start with the chord. So that'll be holes 1, 2, and 3 draw. And then I'm going to go down to a 2 double bend. And then I'm going to go back to either a regular 2 draw or that chord again. Let's do the chord first. So, and I'm going to kind of hit it twice. Da, 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 like that. Da, da. So here's what it sounds like with just the notes, no chords. Whoops. Whoops. It's hard not to play that chord. It's so full and fun. Now the key is going to be lowering your jaw, nice and low. You want to breathe in as naturally as you can. So how do I keep that going? Because it's all inhale, right? That's the hard part. And I'm going to show you why this exercise is good, even if you don't like this vamp. That is a cute sounding bird. Oh. Hello. Sorry. Had to talk to the birds. I don't think it worked. All right. So you got to get rid of your breath. Because you can get so full of air that you can't get any more air in. That's the hard part. Man, these birds are so cute. I wish I could show them to you. Ba-ba-ba-dum-ba-da-da. Exhale. Da-da-dum-da-da-da. Exhale. Now you could put a note in there, and you could put a blow note in. Let's try it. Cool. All right. You can put anything you want in there. All right. So that's the whole vamp. Where do you go from there? Now you just start putting stuff in there. It's da da do ba da da ba do ba do dee do do ba do do ba da do da da. Let me show you. Here we go. That's the relaxed staycation vamp. I'm headed out west this December, you guys. West Coast tours are tough. They're not easy. There's a lot of distance you got to cover. And that distance, because we drive out there in that van, and that distance can eat up all your money. And I'm doing a harmonica seminar in Tacoma, Washington. So if you like these videos and you're anywhere near Tacoma, you can register online. I'll put the link below. You can register online. It's going to be very small. I think we're going to limit it to 20 people. It's called Jason Ricci's Harmonica Circus School for Super Ferrets. So if you want to go to Jason Ricci's Harmonica School for Super Ferrets, Harmonica Circus School for Super Ferrets. Ah, that's not right. If you want to go to my Circus School for Super Ferrets, Harmonica Circus School for Super Ferrets, and you live near the Northwest, let me know. And if I'm on tour, maybe you can help me organize a Harmonica Circus School for Super Ferrets near you. Maybe we can make that happen. I think the birds like that tune better. Stay tuned for the credits.